Hello, Mr. Wolfram Bugart. Can you hear me?
Yes, hello.
How are you doing, Mr. Wolfram Bugart?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
I have a question. We will go straight forward to our questions. How did you hear about this paper?
I was informed by colleagues and students. I received several emails about this case.
Okay, and you have already seen the paper of Mr. درازهی, and you have investigated that. What levels of plagiarism did you find in your paper, in the paper of Mr. درازهی?
Yeah, this was a severe case of plagiarism. It's an identical copy of text of two of our papers. They basically combine two papers into one and remove the authors and put their own names there.
What are you going to do? What is your next step? Is it going to be end in the court or making an official complaint? I mean, are you going to?
This is something that I will investigate. There is a copyright on these papers, which is held by IEEE. And I will definitely inform IEEE about this, and they have the right to sue to sue the publishers of this paper.
And if any politicians in the same level in Germany do this, what would be the reaction of the let's say scientific associations in Europe and also social media?
Yeah. I mean, there would be this would be a big issue. We had actually two such cases in the past. We had a minister I think it was a minister for science and technology, Gutenberg, who committed a major case of plagiarism, and he was removed from the duties. And the same happened to another minister of science a few years ago.
Anyway, thank you very much, Mr. Wolfram Bugart from Germany. Thank you very much for accepting our invitation and interview. Thank you very much, and have a good day.
You're more than welcome. Yeah, same to you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.